have a 6-speed automatic Toyota tranny. This one happens to be an A761E and a Lexus LS 430 4.3 liter. Has harsh downshifts, throwing a code 2757 P2757, and you can feel all the downshifts really good, but the 2.1 is extremely violent, and this is what we found on it. The computer is burnt, and I had a buddy that turned me on to a place that can fix these, so he says they do a good job. I'm gonna post a link down in the description, and you can start dealing with these people if you're close or you have an inkling to want to deal with them. If my friend Phil says they're good people, then they're good people and they do good work. So we're going to give them a shot and see if we can get this one out of here. I guess I should have pointed out the burn mark right there if it wasn't quite obvious until it's this side don't look too bad, but this side you can tell something smoked right there.